Hey, welcome back to TCF. Today's video we have for you is part one of our um, quad to buggy build. We're playing with, I believe it's an 82 Polaris Sportsman. My son got it for parts. I don't think any of them fit for him. But looking at it, I just said this thing screams a buggy. It's only a half a motor, a few other things. So you'll see in the video. I apologize. I'd fire my cameraman, but I didn't have one. So the videos, I apologize. But this is just time lapse, show you some of the teardown of it. We stopped to talk to you a bit in and on through it, just kind of tell you what we were doing. Basically, it just shows you some of our process to get it stripped down so that we could start to build it back up to what it needed to be. Hope you enjoy.
As you can see, we're missing a cylinder head, a few other parts, steering arms, but basically we have a frame, we have a drive line, we have a transmission, so I'm hoping that this whole thing eventually will end up being a buggy. Well, there we go. Temporary makeshift, but hopefully gives us enough steering to be able to move it around, be able to put the tires back on. Let's see what happens. Hey there, we're back at it, the quad buggy conversion. Today we get to do the fun part, or unfun part. We have to tear this beast down so that we can start to figure out what we need to do to make it what we want it to be. Okay, well, I've slowed this part down a little bit for you guys to have a laugh at my expense. My son and I were trying to figure out this exhaust system, poking, prodding, twisting it to no prevail. Just couldn't figure out how the exhaust came off the motor. And then, well, you'll see. Hope you enjoy.
So I hope you enjoyed that. Again, apologize for some of the quality. Next video, we show you a bit of the putting her back together and some of the steps we had to take through that. We took this thing, I believe it was 4 feet long when we started. Wheel to wheel, now it is 8 feet in size. So we did a lot of mods to it. Anyways, see you next video.